What's up everyone, this is Ryan here. Today I want to do a talking video to join the X580 mower. No, I know this thing's gonna get used again this weekend. I did use yesterday because you can see how much better you can see, you can tell. And I still like it's got a 54 inches LD deck on, you can see, because well, because honestly, because you can see it's really nice. It's got a Kawasaki engine on the back, you can see. But now it's cold right now because it's just been sitting here because it was just run yesterday, you can see, because I mean this is a pretty nice looking engine in my opinion. And you could see it's definitely how much I expected this. You can see we did have to put a new battery on it because the original John Deere battery it finally cracked on in the scene because we had to keep jump started because you can see. And also I blew the fuse out. It's like that little box like you can see because of the box, because that's what happens. It makes the whole machine work. You can see because a lot of times you don't know if it has a fuse box in it, but it does. I mean, that's the ones that controls the so the engine control the headlights and stuff I expected to see because well, I know this thing's gonna get used again this weekend because I know since the fact that you can see stuff how much expected this thing I can see when you turn the deck knob over, you can see because it's definitely how much we expected this thing like you can see how much expected, but yeah, this, I mean, you really have to let this engine warm up for like 10 or 15 minutes with the gauge to death because this thing is very heavy as you can see because well, because you can see how much this is. I mean, you can take the hood off on this one too if you want to, but we have not, done to take the hood off on this one because well, ever since the time it's been used almost quite a bit because we had to change the oil on this thing, change the air filter, the fuel filter. We did not change we did not change the spark plugs because they're still original. You can see they're still original air filter stuff. But at some point it means a new dry belt at some point, but it won't be for a while now until you see. But taking the deck off of this thing is a big pain in the ass to take the deck off on this thing, but you get used to it, like you can see, but it will get used again this weekend again, so I know this thing's that fact this thing's gonna get used this weekend again.